Imagine a future where organ transplants no longer rely on donors. That future is now within reach thanks to the groundbreaking advancements in bioprinting technology. Scientists have successfully created fully functional, lab-grown organs that have been transplanted in clinical trials with promising results. Bioprinting, a revolutionary method using 3D printing technology, allows for the precise layering of cells to create tissue structures. These lab-grown organs mimic the complex architecture of human organs, making them suitable for transplantation. One of the most significant milestones in this field is the successful transplantation of bioprinted organs in humans. These clinical trials have demonstrated not only the viability of lab-grown organs, but also their potential to save countless lives. Imagine a patient receiving a new liver or kidney created specifically for them, reducing the waiting time and the risk of rejection. The process begins with the collection of a patient's own cells. These cells are then cultivated and used as the building blocks for the bioprinter. Layer by layer, the printer constructs the organ with precision down to the cellular level. This technology ensures that the new organ is a perfect match for the recipient. Furthermore, bioprinting holds promise beyond organ transplants. It has the potential to revolutionize drug testing and medical research. Scientists can create human tissue models to study diseases and test new treatments, speeding up the development of new medications and therapies. This technology opens up a world of possibilities, from reducing the dependency on donor organs to minimizing the risk of organ rejection. Moreover, bioprinting can lead to personalized medicine, where organs are tailor-made to fit the unique biological makeup of each patient. The implications for healthcare are profound, promising a future where the shortage of donor organs is a thing of the past. Stay tuned to our channel as we continue to explore the fascinating world of emerging technologies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Together, let's discover how science and technology are shaping the future.